Bicycle Songs, Week 5, Science.
What are some cycles in nature? Oh, what are some cycles in nature, Water cycle, carbon and oxygen cycle, nitrogen cycle. Water cycle, carbon and oxygen cycle, nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen cycle, water cycle, carbon and oxygen cycle, nitrogen cycle. What are some cycles in nature? Oh, what are some cycles in nature? Water cycle, carbon and oxygen cycle, nitrogen cycle. Water cycle, carbon and oxygen cycle, nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen cycle, water cycle, carbon and oxygen cycle, nitrogen cycle.